Hello everyone, I'm Nikita from Atikin Games. In cooperation with Hero Time, we've put together this video series to help get people started on Kickstarter. Today I'm talking about customer service. This is very important to me. Your backers are your customers, and good customer service is crucial. Even more so than in a retail setting. Your backers believe in your game enough to back you and your project without a promise of a reward. This is the message from Kickstarter. All of your backers will have ticked this box in order to back your project. So make sure that you are kind and courteous to them, as well as being open and responsive to any questions or feedback they may have. How should I thank my backers? I probably thank backers too much, if anything. I take every opportunity I can to thank them for their generosity, starting with a thank you message through Kickstarter. And that's all that's in it, a thank you. I've received thank you messages from creators before with a lot of extra information, them trying to upsell me, giving me calls to action, which all makes the thank you seem disingenuous. Save your calls to action for your project updates. I also thank my backers in every project update that I do. Let's face it, my projects would be nothing without them. How often should I post updates? Post regular updates, every few days or once a week if there isn't a lot to say. Backers want to see that you're still there behind the scenes, and it's nice to share your news with them. I do my best not to bombard them with updates too regularly. Once the campaign ends and you've funded, it's nice to keep an update once a month to let them know how the campaign's going until it's fulfilled. This lets them know that you're still there and that you're making progress. What should be in my updates? Share an update whenever you reach a big milestone. 50% funded, 100% funded, stretch goals reached. And if you don't have a specific milestone to share, let them know how work in the background is going on and how they can help. This is where calls to action are nice. I want to stress here that all backers have already helped you and they don't owe you anything more than that. Some backers will want to help and want to know what they can do to help the project to be seen. I often ask that they share the campaign link on social media or with friends. Again, ask nicely and be considerate. They've already put their trust in you to fulfill the project. Don't let that trust be unfounded. Well, that's it for this video series. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope it will help you along with your project. Good luck.